You've been burning fake candles your whole life, but today we'll show you the real thing, a candle made from natural honey. First, a honeycomb is taken, housed in a wooden frame. The honeycomb is carefully separated by hand. The combs inside the honeycomb are filled with pure honey. These combs are squeezed by hand, and all the honey is collected in a bowl. After each drop is squeezed, the honeycomb is emptied. But the story has only just begun. Now the honey is separated, but what is left is our real treasure. The remaining pieces of the hive, the waste, are put in a cauldron. A little water is added to it, and a fire is lit on the stove. Slowly, the hive begins to melt, and a golden paste begins to form from it, along with the sweetness of the honey. When it is thoroughly melted, it is strained through a white cloth. The liquid that falls to the bottom is clear and pure, while the cloth remains with a golden honey-like substance, which is now left to solidify. After a few hours, this golden wax becomes a solid slab. It is broken into small pieces with the help of a knife and a hammer. Then it is put back into a cauldron and melted over low heat. After filtering again, it becomes even purer. This pure wax will be used in our natural candles. Now, it's the turn of the bamboos. We cut the big bamboos into small pieces so that we can make molds for the candles. We cut each bamboo one by one, and in this way, each bamboo becomes a separate stand. When all the bamboo pieces are made, the next step is to make holes in them. We take a hot iron wire and pass it through the middle of the bamboo to make holes in them. This hole is made so that we can put a rope in them. When all the bamboos have holes, these holes will be very useful to us later, because with their help, we will be able to fix the candles well. First, we take a bundle of rope and cut it into small pieces. Then, one by one, we thread the rope into the hole in each bamboo. After threading the rope, we tie a knot so that it is tied tightly. Then we tie a small piece of wood on top of it so that the rope does not come out. In the same way, we thread the rope into all the bamboos. This rope is very important because this is the part where the fire is going to burn. If there is no rope, the fire cannot burn in our candle. In this way, one by one, we thread the rope into all the bamboos, and thus this step of ours is complete. Now we return to the honeycomb. We cut it into small pieces with the help of a sharp knife. Then we put these pieces in a frying pan placed on the fire so that they melt. When all the wax has melted, we put a lid on it to retain the heat. After some time, the wax has completely transformed into a soft, golden liquid. Now we return to the bamboos. One by one, we pour this hot liquid into each bamboo. This process is done very carefully so that each bamboo is filled evenly. When all the bamboos are filled, we leave them like this for a night so that the wax hardens well. The next day, we carefully break the bamboos, and when beautiful golden-colored natural candles emerge from inside, the sight is truly heartwarming. These were today's natural candles, which are not only environmentally friendly, but also far superior to ordinary candles in terms of fragrance and beauty.